We have spent 9 years dedicated to R&D innovation in cellular cryopreservation. Our technology continuously raises industry standards. Our portfolio of 15-plus products spans temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to -196 degrees Celsius. With our proprietary structural designs, we are redefining biological sample storage standards through automated, intelligent solutions. With over 600 total patents, including more than 100 for inventions, our solutions have obtained globally recognized certifications such as CE and ISO. Our products were also honored with the ISBR Outstanding New Product of the Year Award. We operate 3 manufacturing campuses spanning a total area of 72,925 square meters. We ensure efficient global order fulfillment and seamless, real-time service support. Our comprehensive solutions cover 6 core areas: clinical and healthcare, biopharma and biomanufacturing, academic and research, germplasm and biodiversity preservation, public health and biosecurity, third-party cell storage. Orcella, leading the way in automated biostorage solutions.